If you love social media, this is an awesome way for you to have a little business and make extra money. And a lot of times you can do it right when you get home from school or on the weekends, so it's really easy. Are there any grandparents in your neighborhood? Do you have grandparents? Well, grandparents love to keep up on their grandkids, but a lot of them might not be that good with setting up their computers or their phones so they can have Facebook and Instagram and other places where their grandkids are hanging out. So if you can have a little business setting up grandparents how to get online, they can connect with their friends, they can keep up with their family and their grandkids because they love you. So figure out a nice little way to talk to your grandparents or your friends' grandparents or neighbors and ask them if they're online enjoying pictures of their grandkids. If they say no, well then you can say, well hey, I come in and I set people up. And people pay all the time, $10 to $15 an hour for babysitting. There's no reason you can't make at least that much of whatever babysitting or babysitters are getting for setting up people on their social media. Or they might have it on their computer, but they haven't set it up on their phone yet. And almost every phone that gets sold today is a smartphone. And even though grandparents might have an iPad at home or their computer where they look at Facebook every once in a while, if they had it on their phone, they could stay more connected with their family and friends, and especially their grandkids. And they would love that, and it's definitely worth the extra money. So that's a great way for you to have a little business, and you could just say, if your name is Sam sells social media or something like that, just some little thing that has your name in it and social, or get connected with your grandkids with Teddy, something like that, or Susie's Social Solutions. And that way you can have your name on there, your phone number, and let other grandparents know that you help grandparents get connected with their grandkids. That's a great reason to be on social media, and that's a great way to talk to other grandparents that you meet on your street, or kids grandparents when you meet them, when you're at their house hanging out, your friends' houses, and you can say, hey, are you keeping track of your grandkids on social media? Well, no, but I sure wish I could. Well, hey, I have a little business and I set up people like you to get connected with their family and their friends on Facebook and the other social media platforms. And it's only $15 an hour or something like that. And then you want to sell what they're going to get. So basically you want to sell this as, oh my gosh, your grandkids are posting all the time. Wouldn't it be nice to see pictures of your grandkids at least once a week? Well, if I set you on Facebook on your new smartphone, that'll be super easy. And it'll automatically come to you. Or if you want to send them a message and say, what are you doing this weekend? It's a real fun and easy way for you to stay connected with your family. Isn't that fantastic? And that's going to make grandparents definitely want to hire you if they aren't already set up on social media. And a lot of the grandparents that are on social media don't have it on their brand new smartphone. So just something like that you can do in 10 minutes would be worth $10. Wouldn't it be nice to make $10 for 10 minutes? You bet. That's even good money for an adult. So come up with your little simple name that has something to do with social media setup. Susie's Social Media Setup Service. Something simple like that. Have your contact information, and then simply let everybody know that you do this. Your neighbors, your friends, your parents, and you might want to do it for free for your grandparents so they can give you a nice testimonial. Susie set me up in 20 minutes, and I get to see my grandkids all the time. I love it. A little testimonial like that on your little flyer would be fantastic. So go get them, have fun, make a few extra bucks, and you know what? You're going to be an entrepreneur.